Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
This meeting is being recorded.
yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, please. This the first time you are taking mock
Yeah,
interview.
yeah,
Acha, which
yeah, sir.
date is your interview?
So it is on 27th of July.
Oh, oh. In Nagpur.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. Very fine. So please tell about yourself.
yeah, sir, sure. My name is Manjari Kanolkar and I come from City of Oranges, Nagpur. I consider myself as an enthusiastic and determined person. I have recently completed my post-graduation in microbiology from Rashtrasanta Tuकडोजी Maharaj University, Nagpur. And I have completed my graduation in microbiology from Sevadal Mahila Mahavidyalaya in 2020. I always pursue challenges and I always try to think outside the box. During my graduation and post graduation, I have to develop my personality. I participated in various extracurricular activities, one of it being the active participant of the NSS camp. And in my downtime, I like to cook and bake.
Hmm. So what is your family?
So my family consists of 5 members. My mother actually she is in the car reselling business, and my father is a
What
specially able person. So
what business?
car reselling business, sir. Second hand car reselling business.
Oh, second time car. Acha, acha.
Yeah,
ठीक है.
yeah, yeah. And I have also my grandmother lives with us, my maternal grandmother, and I have one younger sibling, and she is in class 6.
Very good. Excellent. That means lot of age difference between you and
Yeah,
she's sixth class means she must be in 12, 11 or 12 year.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
You must be in 22,
yeah,
21, 22, roughly 10
yeah,
years. Good. Excellent.
yeah.
Now, what is your father? You said, sorry.
Sir, actually, my father is a specially able person, so he does not work.
Pardon, pardon.
Sir, my father is a specially able person.
Oh, oh. They say,
Yeah,
acha, acha, acha. So your mummy only takes care of household
yeah,
problems.
yeah, sir, yeah.
Since when your father was incapacitated?
Sir, actually, he made an accident in 2010.
Oh, oh,
He was caught in a DP blast, sir, in his company.
oh, oh. What? Which company
Yeah,
was
yeah.
he working?
Sir, Indorama.
Indorama. What they were doing?
Yeah.
Is it a company
Sir,
available now?
textile business.
Acha,
Textile
acha.
business, sir. It
Textile.
was a textile company, yeah.
Even now it's there, Indorama.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Yeah.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, I'm very sorry. Oh, you
No, sir, it's okay.
met with an accident. Oh, very sad. Now, um, you studied microbiology and all that.
Mm-hmm.
And what is microbiology?
Sir, basically, it is a field of biology which deals with the study of microorganisms, basically bacteria, fungi, viruses, and all of that. And
Mhm.
its potent use in various fields, such as what it has applied its knowledge to various fields like water microbiology, soil microbiology, then agricultural, various diversified fields.
Are you a member of our group, Telegram group?
Yeah, sir.
Are you having the materials I have given regarding Federal
Yeah,
Bank? Good.
yeah, sir.
You have gone through that bankers adda material also.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I went through it, but I have not been very thorough. Actually,
Mhm. What is IPO?
initial public offering, sir.
What is ECGC?
Sorry, sir. I'm not sure about that.
Export Credit Guarantee Corporation.
Yeah. Export credit guarantee.
Export Credit Guarantee Corporation. Good, doesn't matter. Which bank do you have an account?
Canara Bank,
Acha. Where is the headquarters of Canara Bank?
Bangalore.
Who is the chairman of Canara Bank?
Sir, it is. I don't. I cannot recall his first name, but it's his last name is Prabhakar, I guess.
Yeah, Prabhakar, son Prabhakar, right.
Yeah.
Now, who is the MD and CEO of our Federal Bank?
Respected Sham Srinivasan, sir.
Very good. You don't have to say respected also. Mr. Shyam Srinivas. That
Okay.
will do. Because then who is the chief marketing officer of Federal Bank?
Sir, he has been recently appointed and he is MVS Murthy.
Correct. Good, good, good. MVS Murthy.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. In Canara Bank, you have savings account.
Yeah, sir. Yeah.
What other accounts can you open as an individual now, right now? What are the other accounts if you have money you can open?
Um, Other accounts are, sir, I'm not really sure about it.
No, no. If you have money, you can always open fixed deposit.
Yeah, sir. Actually, fixed
The-
deposit, recurring deposits.
Only these two you can open. You cannot open
Hmm.
current account because you are not doing
Yeah.
business. You are not doing
Yeah.
business. Very good.
Hmm.
So that is right. What is the difference between savings account and current account?
Sir, savings account is for a person who is willing to save a little, like, and the bank offers some interest on these kinds of account, but there are certain withdrawal limit on such accounts. And the current account is for the person, like for the businessman and bigger companies or entities, and there is no such transaction limit on the current account, and but the bank does not offer any kind of interest on current account.
Why this job is important for you?
Sir, in my field, actually, there are very limited job opportunities for me. Also, I have seen some people in my field that who are constantly changing their jobs to earn a good amount of salary and proper working hours. But I want to leave those worries behind, and I want to join this job so that I would get a better job security. That's it, sir. That is the reason.
You can add some more reasons also, like it will be useful for my family because your mother only is earning now, and that too she is earning in second-hand car selling, where the income is not certain and it is variable. Sometimes you get, sometimes you don't get. So
Yeah.
if I get a job, it will be good that I'll be able to support my family also. And
Okay, sir. I'm glad.
my sister is also studying only in sixth standard. So
Hmm.
I have I'll be able to fulfill some of my responsibilities for my
Okay.
family. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Will you be happy to take up a job anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. I am
Ah,
ready to relocate.
acha. How will your parents permit you? Your mummy
Sir, my parents,
allow
yeah,
करेगी?
sir. Sir. They are ready with it.
Acha.
They have always made me very independent, so they are okay with it.
Have you ever lived in some hostels?
No, sir. I have completed my graduation, post graduation from Nagpur itself, so I had never faced such situation.
So will it not be a first occasion when you go out of your house, and will you
Yeah,
not be
sir. It will.
it?
Yeah.
You will be able to manage that?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I am good at cooking. I am good at managing my own house chores, so I think it will not be a problem for me to manage anything.
Really? So nice.
Yeah, sir.
You're the first girl to tell confidently, I can cook, I can do household chores also. Good.
Thank you,
Excellent.
sir.
Yeah. Um, are you good in making khichdi?
Yeah, sir, I'm good in making everything.
No, no. Khichdi I am asking because I am reminded always about Sai Baba. And
Oh,
for
yeah,
Sai
sir.
Baba, the favorite things that he has been giving his people is khichdi and another one,
Yeah,
sagu.
yeah, sir, right.
What is the other dish? Something they make out of that sagu or some other rice,
Sir,
another
I'm
form.
not,
You're not sure about it. Acha, doesn't matter.
no, sir.
No problem. Yeah, that's fine. Excellent. Why cooking is important in life?
Sir, I think it is the basic need, food is the basic need of human. So it is very important that you should have culinary skills. Beside, it is a part of human's life. I mean, you have to eat the food every day. So it is important that every person should know how to cook.
First time I asked this question in the last 3 years. But I am happy you took it very sportively and answered. So that is the plus point in you. Good. Because I know it's a silly question. Like this, they will ask silly questions also. For
Okay, sir.
example, um, say why Federal Bank?
Okay. Sir,
Uh, why
I have
Federal
to
Bank
explain.
and not
Yeah.
other banks? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Sir, Federal Bank has already created its trust among the, being a private bank, it has already created the trust among the various peoples in various states of India. Beside, it has also produced excellence by, um, uh, it has already been adjudged by various awards, and it has always tried to give the very best to its customer, and also it has proved its excellence with providing the technological advancements to its customer, and it is a pioneer among the oldest traditional branches in India. So it makes it different from the other banks who are in the line of competition. That's what I think so.
Oldest branches, you said. It should be oldest banks.
Oh, okay.
That's the only thing. That is the only thing. That's okay. Fine. Nagpur. Who are the important people in Nagpur?
Sir, currently Devendra Fadnavis is the deputy CM. Who is from Nagpur. Then we have Nitin Gadkari, who is the National Roads and Highway Transport Minister, who is also from Nagpur, sir.
Mhm. Good. Can you name 5 union ministers apart from Gadkari?
Yeah, sir. We have Ashwini Vaishnav as our railway minister. Then we have Dharmendra Pradhan as our education minister. Um, um, Anurag Thakur as the youth affair and sports minister. And Sabrananda Sonowal as our water, shippingways and port
Mm,
minister.
mm,
And
mm.
and
Yeah,
all.
one minute.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, I know. I'm getting delayed. What happened, Kirti Rai? Tell me. No problem. I am also I am also late. I am also late. I'll come. I'll call you. Have I given the Zoom ID for you? No problem. No problem. If you have the ID, you can come and join us. Otherwise, I will call you after 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Good, good, good. Somehow I'm getting late, in all the places. Doesn't matter. So, what was the question I was asking you? Sorry.
Union minister, sir.
Union ministers. You told about Dharmendra Pradhan, Vaishnavi, that railway
Yes,
minister,
sir.
then
Yeah.
Arun Thakur. Yeah, one more, two more.
Sir, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, ma'am.
Correct.
And sir, actually, I'm not able to recall the ministry.
I know this is what is happening in interview situations. They will ask something about us. Even then, we will not remember. For example, a question like this:
Yeah, sir, it
which
happens.
which is the movie you saw last in a theater?
Sir, the last movie I saw was Pushpa. Pushpa
Acha,
the Rise.
you are
Yeah,
remembering? Oh,
yeah.
tell the
Sir,
story.
actually, I don't watch too many movies, so I do remember which was the last one I saw.
Can you tell that story in English in 1 minute?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, sir, sure. Sir, the hero of the movie was Allu Arjun, and the actress was Rashmika Mandana. And Allu Arjun was playing a role of a laborer who was in the smuggling business, smuggling of the red sandalwood. And then he becomes the member of syndicate, and he always try to fool the officers who has been appointed to its city by smuggling the sandalwood, and he uses various tactics for that, and then he becomes the member of head of the actual syndicate
Mm,
and in the end a new officer gets appointed to the city, but he is not very happy with the behavior that Pushpa has. Actually, he is very rude in his behavior, so he is not very happy with it. And on his wedding day, he just taunts the officer, which hurts the ego of the officer, and he returns to the wedding with all his clothes covered in the bloodstains, and he says something to his wife. I actually don't remember the
mhm.
dialogue, and that's how the movie ends.
Where you
And
don't
the
know
second part is yet
where
to come.
where you are not remembering the dialogue, you don't have to tell that. Skip that and go.
Okay, okay,
You are doing like a small child. innocently it says, I don't remember. You don't have to admit that there. You just tell what you
Okay.
know. You tell what you know. That is sufficient. Can you tell
Okay.
me the about Reserve Bank, whatever you have in mind?
Yes, sir. Actually, Reserve Bank was established in on 1 April 1935 under the RBI Act 1934, and it's firstly it was headquartered in Calcutta, and then the headquarter was shifted to Mumbai. And the Reserve Bank of India the Reserve Bank of India implements and formulates the monetary policy. And the Reserve Bank of India is the central banking institution of India. Besides, it acts as a manager for foreign exchanges, and it is the issuer of currency in India.
Super. Good. You told all these things nicely. Now, will you fit into the what is the job role of a probationary officer or a junior management officer?
Sir, as per my information, I have to acquire new customers for the bank, and I will also have to assist the team in achieving their targets. Also, I will have to complete the targets assigned by my bank to me, and I will have to attain the customer who comes to the bank, and also I will have to help them with the financial solution according to their needs.
Okay, good. How will you motivate your subordinates?
Sir, I think motivation is very important. We can always try to motivate them by telling them that yes, they are doing good. We can also offer them various different techniques that would be more suitable, and that would help them to complete their work in a more faster, efficient way. Also, I can tell them what is my opinion on their work so that they can progress a little more.
Good. Can you tell about Sri Lanka problem?
Yeah, sir. Actually, the food emergency and national emergency has been imposed in Sri Lanka, and the president Ranil Wickremesinghe has resigned, and now the prime minister Gotabaya Rajapakse is now the president of Sri Lanka.
No, 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 no. I think you are telling wrongly. You are telling the just reverse. Ranil Wickramasinghe was the prime minister. He has now become
Yeah,
president.
right. Yeah, yeah,
Correct?
yeah,
Something wrong.
yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. I messed
तो
it up.
थोड़ा अपडेट कर लीजिए. Do you know about British politics? Britain politics?
Yeah, sir. Actually, I am not very thorough with it, but I have read that the uh, the prime minister has resigned, and now Rishi Sunak, who was the finance minister, I guess, is now going to be the prime minister. I mean, he's participated in the election.
Why we Indians are more closely watching this Britain politics?
Sorry, sir, I am not able to
Why
understand.
why we Indians are most closely watching this British politics?
Sir, this is because the Britain has already ruled over us for a longer time. So there are certain things that even though after many years has passed, there is certain things that has related into the mind of certain people. Also, Rishi Sunak is an
Come. That is the point I was
uh,
having. Come.
yeah,
Ah,
Rishi Sunak is an Indian person, so it would be the first time that an Indian person would be leading the country. I mean, the country. Yeah.
that's correct. This point you
Hmm.
should have told first.
Okay, sir.
Understand? What is
Yeah,
more
sir. Yeah.
more important has to be told
Hmm.
first. Has to be
First,
told
yeah.
first. Yeah.
Hmm, hmm,
Good.
hmm.
Very good. Um. Yeah. Next one is tell me something about priority sector advances.
Priority sector advances. Sir, I have not read about that.
Kyun? It is there in the book I have given you, na? That infinite small book.
Sorry, sir, I don't have read that.
You don't have that book?
No, sir.
What is this? 1 minute. Video links. Just a minute. Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Wait a minute.
Yes, sir.
Have I not given you this?
No,
Huh?
sir, no.
No. How can it be then when I asked you, do you have the link? You said yes, yes, yes. And of course, I have
Sir,
posted this.
can you please scroll a little?
No, I will show. 1 minute. This is the thing. Federal Bank G.D questions, Federal Bank interview, Federal Bank campus. Here only the job role is given. Most common interview questions.
Yeah, yeah, sir. I have been through this folder. Maybe I just skipped that book.
This is the book, Infinite Small.
Maybe I have downloaded it, but I have not been through it, I think.
Are you able to see it now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So please go through that thoroughly. Here
Okay,
priority
okay,
sector is given. Priority sector
okay.
is given here.
Sir, I know about the priority sector, but I am not, I don't know about the advances in that
See,
sector.
priority sector देखिए इधर.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Uh, uh, Not that way. 1 minute. Yeah. Stop sharing. Just a minute.
Yeah, sir.
I'm getting it. Just a minute for 5 minutes. Yeah. Now you have this book. I'll show you this book. You please go through this book thoroughly.
Yeah, yeah, sir. I will.
Priority sector, tell me what is priority sector?
So, the priority sector includes MSME, then housing, education, and there is one agriculture, sir.
Other things are also there. Education, housing loan, then renewable energy, infrastructure, and startups, all these things.
Okay,
So
okay, sir.
you please go through this book thoroughly. That will
Yeah,
help
yeah, yeah,
you.
sir. I
Which
will.
date is your interview?
27, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Please go through
Thank
this
you.
book. Prepare
Yeah, yeah,
very
sir. I
well.
will.
You are doing very well. One plus point for you is that you have good confidence, you have good communication skill. This will help you. But you must go through this book and
Yeah,
also
sir.
1 minute. I will tell you.
I
And
checked
all,
all the folders, sir, but I don't know how I skipped this book.
yeah,
I
and
have been through all the folders.
yeah, you must also go through that Bankers Adda book also.
Yeah, yeah, sir. Okay, okay. I will definitely do that.
Best wishes. You have done very
Yeah.
well. Thank you so much.
Sir, there is anything I need to improve?
Yeah. What is that?
Is there anything I need to improve?
No, no. You have to study banking. You are not studied.
Yeah, sir. Actually,
You are
I was
not
not.
you are not up to date with the current affairs
Hmm.
also. Please revise them. And you have to improve your knowledge regarding Federal Bank by going through the website and also
Hmm.
by going through the latest figures. Have you gone through the 30th June figures?
Regarding what, sir? What figures?
Federal Bank business figures.
No, sir. No.
I have given it in our Telegram. I have given it as a link in this material itself. 30th June, what is the total? They have made a profit of 601 crores.
Yeah, 601 crore rupees.
Then that material you must go through fully.
Okay, 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 sir. I will.
And as a result of that, the share
Hmm.
price is going up now like anything, 104 rupees. From
Okay, okay.
87, 90 rupees, it is going up. So your current affair knowledge relating to Federal Bank, general
Hmm.
things, and also banking, you have to read again and again and again.
Okay, okay, sir. I will do that.
But only plus point for you is that good communication skill, confidence.
Okay, sir. I will just go
But
through the.
if you go like this, you will get only 8 marks out of 10.
Okay, sir.
But you need at least
Hmm.
9.5 out of 10 for
Yeah, sir. Correct.
getting a
Yeah,
success.
yeah.
Please
Yeah,
prepare
yeah. Right.
thoroughly, and after the
Yeah, sir.
interview,
I will
please
definitely
send
do.
me the
Yeah.
questions.
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Thank you. You
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Yeah.
1 minute. Hold on. Aswati, I will close this video and come back again. you please re-log in and then we can have a discussion. If you are interested, you can observe this girl's interview also. This girl is from Kerala, na, Aswati?
No, sir, I'm from Nagpur,
You are
Maharashtra.
Nagpur. Aswati is
Yeah.
from Kerala, na?
Yes.
Maybe. Aswati, you are from which state?
Yes, I am from Kerala.
Yeah, doesn't matter. So I'll close this and re-log in. Thank you. Now,
Okay.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
your Nagpur girl, don't feel bad. I am giving some
No, no,
negative.
sir, that is important for me.
Yeah,
That is
please,
useful for me. I understand.
please study that. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Please
Of
go through
course.
that thoroughly. Best
Yeah,
wishes.
yeah, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you.
I am closing now. We will re-log in, Aswati.
Okay.
Okay, sir.